Welcome to the presentation of Sygnity's FlexiPI info system. Thank you for dedicating your time to learn about our application. This presentation will walk you through its basic features. Flexi Services platform benefits: short implementation time. Ready components and verified mechanisms allow for faster launch of the system. This means you can start working with our system quicker to gain your business needs faster. Lower operational risk. The platform is already tested on multiple environments, which minimizes the risk of critical errors, malfunctions, or security gaps. Ecosystem integration. Ready API and connectors allow for easy integration with other systems. Credibility and trust. The choice of the platform that is already used by other teams or institutions builds trust both in inner and outer circles, like management, IT department, as well as partners. Flexi services are not only FlexiPI info. We have developed and implemented 5 other products. FlexiFi enables comprehensive and fully automated management of the process of calculating fees and commissions and forecasting the resulting revenues. FlexiMatch deals with Nostro and internal accounts reconciliation. FlexiElm is used for supporting currency liquidity management. FlexiSG supports current position aggregation and reconciliation. FlexiK deals with buy-leave seizures and servicing clients in bankruptcy. Since 1st January 2024, payment system providers in European Union are obliged to report cross-border transactions to CESOP, Central Electronic System of Payments. Payment system providers are obliged to keep records of cross-border payments in electronic registers and to share them with the head of local tax authority. Tax authorities transmit information to new centralized European Union database, CESOP, that enables anti-fraud experts in given EU member states data processing and analysis. We have prepared a comprehensive solution that fully supports obligated institutions in implementing CESOP requirements at every stage. Functionalities of FlexiPI info. Automatic upload of transactions data into the system. Flexible definition of classification and filtering rules. Flexible definition of rules for assigning beneficiaries. Automatic aggregation of transactions. Control of exceeding reporting thresholds. Creation of extracts for the local tax administration. Automated sending of extracts to local tax administration. Handling corrections. Why choose FlexiPI info? It's a comprehensive IT tool which is cloud-friendly, is based on many years of experience, is implemented by the system producer, effectively supports CESOP classification and reporting, provides flexible integration mechanisms with different systems, allows for easy implementation of additional banks requirements. The advantages of FlexiPI info system: flexible mechanisms for defining limits and classification rules, automation of qualification processes and reports distribution, automating alert generation in case of occurrence of monitored events, possibility of defining dictionaries and distribution schedules. The process of reporting to CESOP can be divided into activities, performed on an ongoing basis, daily, weekly, monthly, and according to reporting cycles at the end of each quarter. FlexiPI must be uploaded with payment data. The manner of communication and source data format are set during implementation. Source data may be in the form required by the regulator, so-called domain model, or so-called free model, so in the way they are stored by bank systems like data warehouse or accounting systems. In case of the second approach, data cleaning and conversion to the domain model is performed in the system by the use of transformative rules. Data loaded, cleaned, and validated in terms of format and completeness are classified into 3 groups: transactions excluded from reporting, transactions included in the limit but not reported, transactions subject to reporting. At the end of each quarter, a number of processes are done in order to prepare CESOP reports. Transactions are grouped according to beneficiaries of the payment. For transactions subject to reporting, data from beneficiary files are matched. If the transaction refers to our bank beneficiary, FlexiPI integrates with bank system to complete beneficiary file with the current data set. If the transaction refers to external bank beneficiaries, his data are collected from transaction data. Next, PMT message is generated. The authorized operator signs the message with a qualified electronic signature. Report is sent automatically to local tax authority in Poland using JPK gateway. System enables the operator to run batch processes predefined by the producer. Processes are grouped into 3 areas: integration, staging area, CESOP area. They can be run automatically or manually if necessary. Automatic run of the processes is possible after defining schedules. Operator can do it by the use of mini creator or cron expressions. System automation allows for limitation of manual activities. Source transactions are visible in the area called Uploaded Transactions. Thanks to defined automatic processes, it's possible to validate the completeness of data, running the transformating rules if they are defined in the system. They are used to transform data from data warehouses into data model required by CESOP. Finally, moving data into CESOP area. Transactions in CESOP area are divided into 3 groups: transactions pending for classification, transactions subject to reporting, transactions not subject to reporting. System collects data about beneficiaries in a form of beneficiaries file. Data is collected from clients' resources. It's also possible to add a record manually. System only stores clients' attributes required by CESOP. Transactions subject to reporting are aggregated according to beneficiaries. You can also view aggregates details. System sends a report to local tax authority in a form of PMT file. System follows PMT file processing statuses. The system also allows for the review of the details of the package that was sent to CESOP. In the VLD message section, files from local tax authority are presented. They inform the user about the correctness of the report that was received by them. To sum up, FlexiPI Info facilitates transactions reporting to CESOP, improving operational efficiency and reducing costs. The use of ready components and verified mechanisms will reduce time and costs related to implementation, maintenance, and further development. That is, better precision, better effectiveness, time saving, and lower costs. FlexiPI Info System Integration. This is the current technology stack we are using in our applications. How do we work on our products? Project Lifecycle is based on traditional model, but we use shortened analysis. Its final product is HLD, High-Level Design Document, where we write down your expectations. Then we introduce Agile methodology. We work in Scrum. Sprints are usually 2 weeks, and we deliver parts of software via iterations, so the client can verify if the HLD agreements are what they wanted to be, and if we correctly understood each other. We support clients in the whole process, UAT phase, stabilization phase, and we offer maintenance as well. Thank you very much for your attention. For more information, contact our business unit manager on the contact data visible in this screen.